everyone, welcome back to this class. Today we will talk and discuss about the shoot system. See, in the flowering plant, this flowering plant it plays an important role in an ecosystem. So this flowering plant, the green plant, it has two main systems. They are the flowering plant and the non-flowering plant. So here we will talk and discuss about the flowering plant, which are considered more advanced than the non-flowering plant. So if we talk about this flowering plant we have the two main systems. They are the root system and the shoot system. See, in previous class we have talked and discussed about the root system. Today we will talk and discuss about the shoot system. See, this shoot system it includes the leaves, stems, the fruits and the flowers. So this root system it is found just below the soil. So here you can see the diagram which I have drawn. So here we will talk and discuss about it, about the functions of it, about the examples of this shoot system. So this shoot system, as I have told you, it consists the leaves, the flowers, the fruits and the stems. So this the stem forms the main axis of the plant. See, it has the nodes and the internodes. See, what is this node? See, here you can see the node. See, this node, it is the part of the stem where the leaves arise. And again we have the internode. It is also the part of the stem between the two nodes, which is called the, see, it is between the two nodes, which is called the internode. Next we have in the plant, in the stem, we have the tip part of the plant. The tip part of the plant, it is called the apical or terminal bud. Again we have the bud on the axials of the leaf. See, we have the bud on the axials of the leaf, which is called the axillary bud. So these are some of the buds of the stem. Again, in some plants the stems are weak. See, they either creep on the ground. They used to creep on the ground. So they are called the creepers. And some plants they get support, like they climb on. So they are called the climbers. So again, if we talk about the functions of the shoot system, see, here we have the two main functions as I have wrote and shown it to you. See, first we have that is to bear leaves and hold the plant erect in the right position so as to get maximum sunlight. See, this shoot system, what this used to do, what its function. See, it is to bear the leaves and it is to hold the plant erect. It is to erect, it is to direct in the right position. It keep the plant in the right position to get the maximum sunlight. And second we have is to transport water and food to the different parts of the plant. Yes, this shoot system it is to help to transport water and food to different parts of the plant. Again we have in the stem, again we have some additional functions like it is to store food, it is to protect the plant, and it is to give support to the plant. For examples of this stem, we have that is the potato, the ginger and yam, etc. See, these are all the examples of plant where the stem is used to store food. See, these stems are the examples. These are all the examples of the plant where the stem is used to store food. See, this example which I have shown it to you, the potato, ginger, though they do not look like stem, but they are considered to be stem because they have the nodes and the internodes in which they used to store the food. So they are included in this shoot system in the stem. So again in some plants like the rose, the bougainvillea plants, see, there are some branches of the stem are modified to become a hard pointed structure. They are called the thorns. So these thorns, what it is to do? It is to prevent the plant, prevent animal from eating that plant. It is to save the plant from eating from the animal. Again we have in climbers, like some plants they have the stem where it is modified to become spring-like structures. They are called the tendrils. So in this root system there are thorns, tendrils also, and the stem. We can find the leaves, flowers and fruits we can find in this root system. So if we differentiate the stem and the root, then in the stem, in this root system, in the stem, the nodes and the internodes are present, and in the root the nodes and internodes are absent. And second, see this stem, it is to bear leaves, flowers and fruits, but in root system it doesn't bear the fruits, leaves and the flowers. Again, the third point we have that this stem, it is to develop from the plumule of the embryo, but the root, it is to develop from the radicle of the embryo. And this, if we talk about the stem, it grows towards the light, but the root, it is to grow towards the ground. So these are the differentiation of this the stem and the root. So children, I hope you all understood about this concept of this root system, which we had talked and discussed about the functions and what are the examples of it, which are the types which we get in this root system. So I hope you all understood very clearly.